Sir. How you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Going skydiving.
I'm ready to
First
jump out of
time?
an airplane. First time.
Yeah?
First
What made you decide to do this today?
I bungee jumped and now I gotta jump out of an airplane.
And you couldn't even convince a single friend to come with you?
No.
All scaredy cats?
They're all scaredy cats.
Alright, what do you have to say to them?
I'm about to have the time of my life and you're missing out.
Alright, man. See you up there. Woo!
Oh my God!
What's up, man? There's a parachute up there. All right.
Jump number 1 complete.
Success.
Ow!
Mission accomplished. We did it.
Hell
Fun?
yeah. So much fun.
Good
Amazing.
job. Thanks for jumping with us,
Amazing.
Carmine. We'll
Thanks
see you
for
next
having
time,
me.
man.
Definitely.
Woohoo!